What the heck is happening in the crypto market? Well, in this video, we are going to be taking a deep dive into where we are headed next, because there are some very interesting things that are happening behind the scenes and in the charts that you must not miss. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. If you love cryptocurrencies, also give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support the crypto community, this video, and my channel, as I spend countless hours to making these videos for you, giving you guys all the best information out there in cryptocurrencies. If you want to get access to the most profitable crypto community, go ahead and join the Patreon right now, where we do constant day trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, for new small micro caps. You can message me, you can talk to me on the phone, we can go over your current portfolio. Highly recommend it. The link is in my video description. I also have a crypto trading course you can check out. We have a whole bunch of stuff to make you money in crypto. So before we dive straight into the video, make sure you follow all of my links below, my socials. And don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $3,500. All you have to do is create an account with my link below and deposit 1 penny. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. So as we are seeing, the market is starting to see a little bit of green. It has been trading sideways, nothing crazy really happening. We are in a bit of a downtrend ever since the pump we saw literally several days ago. And I believe that we are right now just trading sideways. Look, we pumped up and we came down based on FUD, and we are trading sideways. So right now we are trading in a very small little area, and it is holding up. It is holding up very tightly, which generally means for us a big move is about to happen. So depending on what happens in this area between levels of resistance and the support, which is called a trading range, could dictate the next possible move. I would not be surprised if we do continue to trade sideways for the next couple of days, but I think a very big move is underway, a move that would potentially be very big to the upside or a move to the downside. And we will be able to understand very clearly what that move is if we keep a close eye on technical analysis and see where this crypto market is headed. If we do start to come up and test this resistance level, it would be very likely, if we get continued volume and momentum, that we could see a pretty big breakout, a breakout that would push us past the high of this recent local area. All the way from the 9th of February. So we could be pushed up past this and continue if we go ahead and take a look out more so on the macro uptrend, the bigger picture, the bigger uptrend, as we are still in it. And it's very interesting. If you actually zoom out, you can see that we are still bullish. We are still bullish from this bottom here. So higher highs and higher lows, we are just seeing a little pullback. Let me know if you are buying any of the dips right now, what cryptos you are holding, what dips you are buying, and do check out my comments. So as we see it also in coin market cap, we see most cryptos are kind of sideways though. Solana is up about 4%. Terra is up. You know what? Solana and Terra, these cryptos do really well, as well as Avalanche. Look at the Avalanche, Terra, and Solana. They are now in the top 10. DOGECOIN is down a bit. Polkadot, most cryptos are sideways, but we do notice that these coins, if you take a look, obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum are up. These coins are pretty volatile. Oh my gosh, look at Cardano. I just realized Cardano is at $1 right now. Super cheap discount. But Solana, Terra, Avalanche, these ones are doing very, very well. And they have done very well, at least since this recovery, outperforming most of the market. These are cryptos you want to keep an eye on. And a lot of these type of cryptos that do really well, the short term, the longer term, we do announce in the Patreon to buy them, to consider taking a look at them. So let's go ahead and take a look at some news. Let's see what's actually happening behind the scenes. So what we do see is Bitcoin price consolidates in critical make or break zone as bulls defend the $42,000 level. And that's exactly what I have been sharing with you in this previous technical analysis. I said, yes, guys, we are trading sideways, and in the short term, we are in this small little range here. I showed you that we're in this small little trading range between resistance and support. And of course, this is a critical area. Depending on if we break up to the upside with volume, we're gonna go up. And if we break down to the downside with volume, we're gonna see a bigger pullback, a pullback that could see potentially a 10% move to the downside. So something you wanna keep a very, very close eye on. But over the long term, in the next couple of months, I think we're going to be ending up a lot higher. So being fearful just in these little time frames is not appropriate right now, guys. The market, I believe, in my opinion, it's not financial advice, is going to be very, very high this year, meaning that these current prices are going to be a lot higher a lot higher towards at some point this year. Let me know if you agree with that, and let me know what cryptos you think will be high up there. Here, look at this. Very, very interesting news. Russia government and central bank agree to treat Bitcoin as a currency. So now there are talks, as you've been hearing, and it started actually a couple of weeks ago, where the Central Bank of Russia wanted to ban cryptocurrencies and was thinking about potentially banning cryptocurrencies. But then the Russian government is stepping in, and they want cryptocurrencies to be a huge part of their government and their country. So there's always a lot of mixed feelings and FUD spreading constantly back and forth with cryptocurrencies. But ultimately, cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, are going to be adopted by countries all around the world in the years to come. And they're going to be accepted as a huge means of money, a currency to be used and accepted, universally accepted and adopted. And not only just some type of money, but a money that appreciates better than anything out there. It's the best asset, in my opinion, guys, to own. So a lot of bullish things are happening behind the scenes, but what we are seeing is FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, all of that, which is kind of keeping crypto sideways. But this sideways action, in my opinion, is not going to last very, very long at all. No, I think, and I believe certainly this year, I'm going to give you guys a bullish and a realistic price prediction for cryptocurrencies. I realistically think, and I'm just going to start off with Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin should be able to easily surpass $100,000, but $100,000 to $120,000 is going to be towards the top, in my opinion, if Bitcoin were to hit that. Ethereum should see around $600 to $7,500, in my opinion. If the market does continue like that, very bullish, and a lot of very bullish catalysts happen for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, I also think that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu will do very well. And if Dogecoin does continue to perform and do very well along with the crypto market, it would not surprise me to see realistically Dogecoin in the 40-cent range, 50-cent range, potentially this year, with huge catalysts for Dogecoin coming out. We have Shiba Inu, a lot of amazing things happening for Shiba Inu. So I'm thinking that Shiba Inu could potentially break the all-time high this year. Let me know if you guys agree with that in the comments below. But moving on, some more cool stuff. Look at this, Baby Lambo Inu. We've been talking about this crypto for quite some time. Today they got listed on Bitmart, and they're also on a billboard in Times Square. Very, very cool. An amazing project. There was a little bit of a sell-off today, as any type of hype or exchange listing comes on, but the crypto is finding a bottom, in my opinion. And once a lot of these people that got in early, making 50x, 100x, 100+ x gains, once they sell and get out the bottom of this, the cryptocurrency is going to create a bottom and is going to bounce up, and probably bounce up very, very strong. You guys should definitely check it out. Baby Lambo Inu, you can go to their Twitter. They have a very cool website, a whole bunch of use cases. Definitely check it out. But in conclusion to this whole video, the market is, in my opinion, in a macro scale, a macro understanding, the bigger picture. That's what that means. Bullish. The market is bullish, but as of right this very second, if we take a look, zoom in finally into these small movements of this volatility, we are in a make or break area, at least for the short term, which refers to the next couple of weeks. So whether we have a move to the upside or move to the downside, we will be able to understand, especially if you are in the Patreon, where the market is headed, where it will most likely head. And honestly, in my opinion, we have a full moon coming up. A lot of times the market bottoms when there is a full moon. It dumps right before then it bounces up very fast. There's a lot of bullish things and catalysts coming here very soon in the crypto market. So if we do see a downwards move, I believe it's going to be very, very short term, very temporary. And I think a next move, a very, very big move to the upside, is going to be taking place this month and here very soon, coming to a theater near you. Now, if you've gotten something out of this video so far, give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate the support and love. And I will see you all later. Have a great night.